is it?
Hey, what's going on, viewers? I'm John B.
Hey, and I'm Darlene V.
Welcome to our channel.
Welcome to our channel.
Those who've been here before, we welcome you back.
And for those of you who are new, we welcome you back.
So, Darlene B, what do we got here today?
We have a whole bunch of stuff going on right here.
An array of things. An array of things.
Yes. So, we wanted to bring you some of my old school treats.
Old school. Yeah, that's treats
from when I grew up. We have our treats from Canada. These are my favorite
treats from Canada.
My favorite childhood treats from Canada. What do you think?
I think it's a lot. I see a few things on here that we can't get here in the States.
No, we definitely can't.
Might be more than a few.
I think all of the things we can't
Might be
get
all
here.
of them.
Let us know if you're in the States and you can get any of these, but
or if you tried any of these.
Yes, or if you tried any of these. And if you're in Canada, let us know if any of these are your favorites.
What are your favorites?
Yeah, that's true too.
Yeah, let us know. So what are we going to dig into first, Darlene B?
All right, so we just want to make sure that you subscribe.
Oh yeah, like, comment, share, all that good stuff.
Yes, share this out.
Yeah, we appreciate that. Absolutely.
Yes. So the first thing on the menu is ketchup chips.
Ketchup chips. Like we were saying before, I don't think I've ever seen these in the States, so I don't think you can get these in the States, huh, darling?
You guys, you don't understand.
Ketchup chips.
These were these were my thing when I was young. I don't want to mess up the chips because they're nice and full. These are my thing. I introduced them to John.
Yes, you did.
And John.
Yes.
As we're opening them up, what do you think about ketchup chips?
Okay, let's see. Yeah, they got the ketchup smell, definitely. Boom.
Sweet.
This is chip for you.
And then my cousins, they used to like the dill pickle chips. Tell me if you ever ate the dill pickle chips.
I don't think of dill pickles. I'm not a pickle eater, so no.
I didn't like the smell of the dill pickles, so I like the ketchup. But, all right.
Yeah. It's funny. It's like, I don't know if you really have the ketchup taste to it, but it's definitely different than your regular chip, your regular what's the popular one? The
Which one?
garlic and onions.
Okay, sour cream and onion.
Sour cream and onion.
So it's like there's a sweetness to it, and it's funny because there is a touch of like almost like a dill pickle-y kind of sour.
I say that,
but it's not a lot.
At the end,
it's not a lot.
Yeah, it's something.
There is like a tang. There's a sweetness to it. There's a saltiness to it.
Yeah.
All around.
How you say that when you a sourness and it tastes on the back of your tongue. You know, but if you're thinking straight up, ketchup, ketchup, I don't want ketchup. Eating ketchup, it's not just eating ketchup by itself. It's definitely not like that.
But we say if you had the opportunity to try ketchup chips.
Yeah, you're ever in the, here you go. Take another look at that.
And they're sold all over Canada.
Yeah.
So, all right, what's next? You choose.
I'm gonna go with. How did you pick Mr. Big? I'm not sure if it has peanuts in it. I'm not messing with that. But
John, you can have peanuts.
I don't like
just
peanuts
try.
Like that.
Just try a little tiny piece.
Let me see.
All right.
So what is Mr. Big? Is it Bigs? What is that?
No, it's just Mr.
Big.
Mr. Big.
Okay.
You guys see it? All right. And I think it has like a little bit of nougat.
Okay.
I think it's like Rice Crisp, and then it had the peanuts, which I forgot that it even had peanuts in it.
Break it open. We're gonna find out.
All right. You want the end?
I'll just take a little piece. Let me see. First.
Kind of reminds in the inside of almost like, you know, like the layers of the Kit Kat.
Yes. You can see a little wafer.
The wafers. That's what it is.
You can see the wafer in there.
Yes. Okay.
I don't see peanuts, but no, you take a bite first. Let me know what peanuts in there. I want to know what peanuts in there.
There's peanuts in there.
Well, let me know what peanuts. No. see a little Rice Krispie, little Rice Krispie treats. Is it peanuts?
I feel like I taste a peanut. Taste like the taste of peanut, but it's like wafer. I'm gonna try. I'm gonna show you again.
A wafer.
Yeah, wafer and chocolate.
A little caramel. I don't taste a peanut.
That's what I'm saying. That's why when I was saying, I don't remember
the package.
peanuts.
Yeah, the package looks like it's a peanut, but it must be like the Rice Krispie. No. But what would you think would be comparable here in the States? I
don't know.
That's a good one.
You guys have. The O. Henry bar doesn't have wafers in it though.
That had peanuts.
But is the O. Henry bar in the U.S.? I don't know.
That's popular.
It is? O. Henry?
I think O. Henry is popular. No, it's good.
Mm-hmm.
It's peanuts. I don't know.
I was trying to find. There was a drink called Tahiti Treat. Do any of you guys remember Tahiti Treat? Let me know. That was my drink as a child. I love that drink. But, all right. Let's go on to the next thing.
Oh, good. 2 for 2.
You liked it?
Yeah, if it is.
This was his first time trying.
I never had it.
Yeah, he's never had
Big,
that.
not the singer, but. No, I like it. I can't think of what it tastes like. I like the chocolate and the caramel together.
All right.
Oh, go.
This is the other highlight.
Oh, that's the food. That's the coup de grace right there. Yeah.
I mean, ketchup chips for me too, but.
No.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
Do any of you know what this is? Let us know.
If you bring it close up, they know what it is. They can read the label. You mean maybe have they tried it?
Yes. So this is, when I honestly ketchup chips too, but like when I think back to my childhood, like this is a big part of my childhood. They're called butter tarts.
Yeah. Lovely.
Yes.
I've had these before.
Yeah.
Oh, wow. Cheap.
And so
it was a Canadian treat.
Yeah, it is a Canadian treat. To give you an understanding of what the butter tart is that it is, it almost reminds me of a pecan pie. Like the filling in the pecan, like the crust and the filling in a pecan pie without the pecans. And we normally get the ones that have raisins in it because we like raisins.
And this is raisins, right?
Yeah, this one has raisins. So
what other type of flavors they come with? Because I don't know raisins.
Some of them do come with like pecans. Some of them.
These are straight raisins.
Yeah, this one has raisins.
Yeah,
so they're called butter tarts.
Butter tart, you smell it?
If you are a butter tart lover, put your hand up. Let us know. We want to hear from you.
Yeah, let us know.
All right. Okay.
Yeah. Ooh, I can smell the sweetness.
I can't wait to break into these.
Yeah. The feeling is beautiful. I don't know if a feeling can be beautiful, but
it's sweet.
I don't know, crust or dough. I don't know what you call it. It's good.
It's really good.
Yeah. Oh, treat that. So here you go. I mean, I took a bite of it, but you get an idea what that looked like there.
Yeah.
Yeah, these are filling too, right?
They are good.
It's filling.
Very filling.
Yeah.
So if you like pecan pies without the pecan and add some raisins on it, then you'll definitely love a butter tart. I think the only difference with the butter tart, there might be a touch of vinegar in it. So there is like this subtle little bit of sourness. Very subtle.
I don't like vinegar. Just so I can spot it out real quick.
So, all right.
I can put that to the side. I'm still messing with that. Let me eat this whole thing.
You're gonna eat the whole thing?
Absolutely.
Okay.
Let me get into it. I'll put it to the side.
You're gonna put it to the side?
Yeah, I'll put it to the side.
I thought he wasn't gonna put it to the side.
I wasn't going to, but
I thought he wasn't gonna put it to the side.
I wasn't going. But last but not least, what do we got here?
All right. These remind me of when I used to you know, have some change and go to the variety store, the corner store, and get candy. I know we were talking about on one of our lives recently about like the different candies that we grew up with, and this is definitely one of them. So it's McIntosh caramels.
Yeah, I remember caramels back in the day. They'd be in a little bin, you get like 5 cents, you get a bunch of them, take them up there and pay for them. Yeah, I used to love these things. I haven't had soft caramel in a long time. Yeah, man, the ones I got, they weren't like this. It's not nice and fancy.
He said it's nice and fancy.
Yeah, because they were square like this, but they were in a clear package. McIntosh.
I'm trying to get it so that you can see it. Okay. So yeah, McIntosh. I haven't had these since I was a child.
Yeah, this is.
So I don't even remember what it tastes like. So. Not that soft.
They're not soft. I had that to say. I think the ones that.
I think I told you. I'm like, I don't think they're soft.
The package said soft. I think they lied to me. Well. Still good though, but it's gonna take a while to eat this thing. It'll take a while to get it soft in your mouth. You know, sticking to your teeth. You know how it is. People eat caramel.
So,
does it remind you? Will it still taste the same, or just like you know how cereal gotten smaller over the years? Does the taste change? Not sweet?
Slightly. The taste feels like it's changed slightly.
Not sweet?
No, or something. But it's still good. But we want to know from you guys.
Yeah, let us know out there. You can't get treats.
Canadian treats did we forget?
Yeah, maybe we need to try. Or make it back up there. When we make it back up there. So let us know in the comments section below. But I have to say though, I'm just thinking, and bring back childhood, I want to say, just like the cereal, I think this is not as sweet. The caramel, at least I used to have sweeter than it. You know?
But they're good. They're good.
No, I'm saying.
I don't know. It tastes a little bit different. Like, there's, like, the flavor, you don't taste it initially. Like, as soon as you put it in your mouth, you have to kind of wait
it down, get it watered down, melt in your mouth a little bit.
I don't remember that. But, you know, nonetheless, it does bring me back to old memories and good memories. And I'm glad that you're able to try some of the old treats that I used to eat.
Butter tarts are on point. You know I'm thinking about the butter tart. I'm like, once I finish this bad boy, going back to the butter tart, and you see there was 6 in there, split that up a little bit. The butter tart's on point.
So anyway, we're so glad that you watched, and we're, you know, to all of our reviewees, we want to say, hey, thank you so much for watching. We appreciate the
comments. We love you. Love them.
All of our new subscribers.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
And we appreciate you out there.
Yes. And we hope that you like,
to my teeth.
comment, share, and most of all, subscribe.
Subscribe to the channel. Yes. Well, I'm John B.
And I'm Darlene B.
Take it easy.
Bye.